The broadcast is now starting. All attendees are in listen-only mode.
Morning, fellas. Go ahead. Morning. Same to you, Lori. Salem, good morning, Ray. Guys, today is hump day. I know we have crude inventory today. Let's see what we might have. Bunch of earnings this morning. Banks are reporting. 8:30 PPI. Canadian interest rate. 10 o'clock. And of course, crude at 10:30. API data yesterday. Good morning, Randy and Sue. API data was a draw yesterday. Let's see what we're working with this morning. Let's take a look, guys. All right, NASDAQ, 1,500 buyers after that almost 15,000 and fairly precipitous sell. A bunch of buyers just came in. ES has sellers. Gold, still going. 40 to 60, fellas. That's where gold is headed. Copper. And crude, small buyers. So we have a little bit of news at 8:30. If you guys are here on trial, good morning and welcome. Let's see, I'm just getting some charts set up here, guys. That's all. All right, good to go. Good to go. Guys, yesterday was a very good pre-market. Good morning, Greg. Thank you, Greg. Thank you. Greg B. Greg H. Good morning. What you like this morning, Greg H. Deepak, good morning. Same to you, Becky. Blessings as well. Guys, we are halfway through the week. Remember, I need a place to get in, though. You're probably already long. Were you long on crude? NASDAQ, if it pulls back to 25, if it pulls back to 25 would be an entry on the NASDAQ. And crude, you guys can try an 87 if it pulls back to 87. You looking for above 75.07? Where are you looking, Greg? Guys, we had a decent day yesterday. Oh, okay, way up. We had a good day yesterday. We've had a really good week. No, he's not in yet. He's not in yet. He's in 10.5 on NASDAQ. Let's keep this going, fellas. We've had a really good week. Dave, good morning. By the way, George, good morning. Guys, if you're here on trial, welcome back. Take a look at some stocks real quick, and then I'll read the disclaimer. I'm in no hurry because we have PPI at 10:30, 8:30. Apple up 278. Facebook up $1.41. Tesla basically flat, up 26 cents. Goldman Sachs down $1. Netflix up 231. Nvidia up 370. Space just keeps getting hammered. Google up 811. Etsy's up. Peloton down 335. Shop up 853. Zoom up 45 cents. Amazon up another 18.75. Looks like the run into earnings, right? Wonder if we can get to 4,000. BABA up $7. Bank of America was down. It is down 71 cents. And the Reddit kids still taking it in the neck. AMC down $1.27. GameStop down 204. BlackBerry down 21 cents. Workhorse down 7 cents. Rocket's up 19 cents. I think they report soon. A lot of bag holders in AMC and GME. That's for sure. Let me quickly read the disclaimer and we will get on with it. U.S. government required disclaimer. Futures and options trading has large potential rewards, but also large potential risk. You must be aware of the risks and be willing to accept them in order to invest in the futures and options markets. Do not trade with money you can't afford to lose. This website is neither a solicitation nor an offer to buy or sell futures or options. No representation is being made that any account will or is likely to achieve profits or losses similar to those discussed on the website. Past performance of any trading system or methodology is not necessarily indicative of future results. Good morning, Marco. CFTC Rule 4.41, hypothetical or simulated performance results have certain limitations. Unlike an actual performance record, simulated results do not represent actual trading. Since trades have not been executed, results may have under or overcompensated for the impact, if any, of certain market factors such as lack of liquidity. Simulated trading programs in general are subject to the fact that they're designed with the benefit of hindsight. No representation is being made that any account will or is likely to achieve profits or losses similar to those shown. Good morning, Big Don. Gold's target is 47.5, fellas. Anybody long gold? Be nice if we can get a pullback. Okay, Gary. Okay, Pam. Be nice if we can get a damn pullback. All right, Dave. Hey, Todd. The gold bug. While we're sitting here, hang on, guys. Maybe we can get back. 19 would be a nice place. I do not think so, but we'll see what we get on the news, guys. Guys, we have news in about 12 minutes, just under. Crude may give us a pullback. Looks like 75.01 we might get. Just waiting on news, guys. Gold. I'd like to see 19. $22 is probably more realistic. Yeah, absolutely, Greg. If we break cleanly above 28, call it 4 or 5 on gold. This can go a long ways. A long ways. All right, crude is pulling back. Guys, ahead of the news, I'm just going to go get coffee. Target 75 on the NASDAQ. Not updating. Jesus. Target 75 on the NASDAQ. Here comes gold. There's gold. Got an offer at 30. He's still there. God, why don't my numbers disappear? Trade him as you see fit, guys. We chased the offer out. Dollar's getting pummeled. Prepared text. He's not testifying yet. Prepared text. NASDAQ I didn't get to 75, got to 65. I'll buy NASDAQ on a pullback. Come on. Let's go, gold. Ramp it up, baby. Ramp it up. Gave about 13 ticks. I don't think it's done yet. Trade them as you see fit, fellas. You got 8 in it, 9. We're pulling that 95 higher. We one more break. Next big offer, there's 104 at 32. Not the big offer. He's out at 35. Lower high on the 5-minute. Trade him as you see fit. Come on, gold, breakout. Yeah, okay. Why doesn't it update automatically for me? $190 to buy at 24.8. I don't know why. It's odd. NASDAQ target, fellas, is 7.5. If anybody is long NASDAQ, 75, target 1. I was hollering that in the 40s. 75. Anybody long NASDAQ? Okay, nice, Keith. Kayla, good. Peter, good. 75, fellas. Target 1. As always, as you see fit, but looks like we got 69. Nice, Deepak. Daily goal in already. Where are my option trades, Deepak? I'm waiting on you. Nice job. Oh, I'm being funny, man. Waiting on this gold to blow up. Come on, one rip. One rip. We're pushing the Ludwig levels yellow. Got to get through the 95, that lower swing, and the day high. Come on. Come on. Got to blow through the 95, not to the 95. 50 block sellers showed up. Come on. Go get that swing. Trade him as you see fit, fellas. Come on, get that swing. Come on, you got the buyers. Let's go. Double top with 3 buyers and a sequential decline. 92.64. Okay, so decline's going. It's gone. Back into the high of the day. We didn't break it yet. So if you guys want to take risk off, your prerogative. You've got money. You've got money. The big offer sitting at 32. Here we go. Here we go. Block here, 25 buyers here. I'd like to get 32 half, which will give us 40 ticks, but trade them as you see fit here, fellas. Big offers at 32. You might want to come in 31, 6, 7, 8 area. There's 20 ticks. Come on, dog. Pump it up. Buyers and sellers here at 30 half. Again, trade them for your accounts, guys. There's 24. Come on, stink face. I want to see 47. We're pushing daily highs, so, trade them as you see fit, guys. I can't say it enough. Each of you trades a different account. $30 half is sticking. 30 half is sticking. We've got buyers and sellers at 30 half. Delta is increasing, decreasing slightly. We're back below the 95. Yeah, I mean, listen, absolutely. That's why I'm telling you guys, trade for your accounts. Keith took money off the table. Trade for your accounts. Come on, 75. You got 72 on NASDAQ. 75 target 1 on NQ. Call it 73, 74. Down to 3 ticks on gold. You had 20 some odd up here. Crude 75 bucks. Morning, Jeff. Guys, it looks like it gave 20 some odd ticks, 28, 6, 10, 20. Gave 25 ticks. Decent little trade, but now working lower. I'm not interested in shorts on gold. You guys good on gold, fellas? Again, that's why I try to tell you what I'm seeing so you guys can take risk off. I encourage you to trade for your accounts, not mine, not Joe's, Steve's, Tom's, nobody's. Powell says the Fed is still a ways off from altering policy, expects inflation to be moderate. Nice job, Paul. Daily goal exceeded. That's two of you with your daily goal in. Dave made $700 on gold. Nice job. Yeah, it's a great little trade, $700. On the daily, we're trading up. We could go to 76 if we get we could go to 76 on the daily if it goes to 3 standard deviations. Damn it, I miss crude though. Watch crude to crawl above yellow. Order filled on what? Oh, gold on the breakout indicator. I can't move it yet, guys. That's the first time it's frozen in a couple days. There we go. Crude, if it gets a candle close above yellow, I missed it at VWAP back in here. We didn't come back since we opened. Come on, crude. Hey, James. Daily goal hit. Nice. Nice. Another one with a daily goal in. If you guys, didn't take any risk off on gold for whatever reason, and you want to take basically a wash, all right, guys, long here, 34 on crude. Daily coffee limit reached. There is no such thing. You can take 44 right here on crude as well. I'm late on a trade, but crude's going to have to break through 52. Gold is just hanging around the entry. I have no reason to, want to be out of the trade. If you guys, don't want to hold it, target hit NQ. Yep. Exactly. They can always be adjusted upwards. I'm waiting. Here comes the push. We need the push right here on the 5-minute on gold. We're going to fight 49.50. We're going to trade. We should trade back into 30, but we're going to have to break above 30. Yeah, I missed it. Come on, gold. Jamma, jamma. Jamma, jamma. Come on, give me some Momo. Buy more. Go get that 32 half. 30.1 is going to be resistance, right? My order flow guys should see that. So trade them as you see fit, right? We're trading into a rising 95. What does that mean? Oftentimes acts as resistance. So if you're still in gold and you want to take some risk off, take some risk off. Take some risk off if you like. Coming into the top of the hour. Uh, 80. Yeah, that's about right, Keith. Gold has given ticks, guys, half a dozen times. Ray, it's 4. It's always been 4. 4. Always been. I mean, I'm using what Gary uses, which is 4. Let's see if we get a top of the hour bust. $40 fellas, to the top of the hour. That's silver. Come on, gold. Break out. Let's go. Here we go. Top of the hour right now. Look at this. Booyah, baby. Boo stinking yah. Breakout. Another win. Another win. Gold. Break the high of the day. Let's go. Come on. Get that and go get 32 half. Anybody holding gold still? Anybody holding gold? Okay, Dijon. I still think we get that first target at 32 half. You got an offer on him at 32. Target filled. Oh, silver on the breakout. Today what, Caleb? Today what? NQ? I think we see 500. I mean 15,000. And we're getting a pullback in GC. If you guys want to take risk off, we keep inching toward this target, but basically we double topped at the day high. You may want to take some risk off. Hit what? I don't know what you're asking me with these one-word questions. We've been long on NASDAQ since the 40s. All right, do me a favor, if you would. Do me one favor before I go to breakfast. construct one sentence. Just one sentence. What are you asking me? Because I have no idea. I took 2 off of gold, guys, on this double top. I don't think it's a short, but I took 2 off. I believe we are going to get 15,000 today. Yes. All right. I'm out of gold. I'm out of gold. Out on this. Gold. Maybe a pullback to 25, 26. Daily double top, so that's the end for me. All right, guys, I'm going to go to breakfast. I'll be right back. Target 1 filled, RTY on the bot. I'm going to move this down. Always a mistake to break even. Buyers coming into the Russell. And we may get to VWAP. Out. Target 1 only. Buyers. Looks like up we go. They bought back about 150. Yeah, we're good on NASDAQ. That was it for a pullback. Here comes 500, 15,000, fellas. Not 500. We're going to trade into yesterday's high at 94.75. And let's see here. Excuse me. Hang on, guys. Crude went long on the bot. I don't often turn this on. We'll see what we get. There's no way they don't get 15,000. There is no way. No, it's definitely not going to zero today. Chris is going to be disappointed. Chris, I'm not buying all-time highs. You can buy all-time highs. I'll sell it to you. Come on, we got to get 15,000, guys. We got to. Going to get, yeah, I don't know. ES is blowing up. You can try a 65 long on a pullback again. Don't know that it comes there. Crude is trying.
Order filled.
Come on, NASDAQ, what you want to do? All right, guys, we're into support here. I'm going to try a NASDAQ long. Hang on. Yeah, 66. Oh, you rat bag. Come on. Come on, 66. Nope. My stop is going to be 54. Right there. Whoop, didn't move. 54. That's it. You son of a bitch. Down to 35 now. That's on gold. That was gold on the breakout. Gold's going to short on the bot momentarily. Close of this candle. I cannot believe we got that close and did not get 15,000. Well, maybe not. Man, gold's trying. Gold, maybe 25.2 will sell it on the 3-minute. All right, fellas, let's take a look at order flow. Let's see what we got. Big bids here at 40. It's only 44 contracts. New candle on the 3-minute. Big sellers here, 78. Still have 1,800 and change on the net buyers. Maybe 29.30. That 35 area I still like. Crude failed at the yellow. It's got to get up to 26. Got to 24 from an 11 entry on the bot. Come on, NASDAQ, what are you doing? There we go. Come on. Bottom back here. I'm liking the longs, guys. I don't really like shorts. 35, we held 36.50. Now we'll trade to 55. All right, guys.
Order filled.
Gold is now short on the bot as well. So you got a long on crude and a short on gold on the bot. No size. 1,800 buyers. I really don't want shorts. There we go. Long. Block buys here. All right, guys. I'm going to try this again. 1 second. All right. I'm going to try a long on NASDAQ. I'm just trying to get an entry with buyers or a block. New 15-minute candle in 1 minute and 30 seconds. Choppy and sloppy, but I still like the longs. 1,900 buyers. I just don't have an entry. And 35 is what I see, but it doesn't look like we want to come to 35. We're consolidating here. 170 bid here at 45. I'll take a long with him.
Order submitted.
Right ahead, right above him. May not come back down there again. 179 contract bid here. Gone. No, not yet. 181 to buy. Don't think so, fellas. If we come up through 58 quarter, we're going to go. Stop will be 35. It's going to go. It's going to go. $75 target. God darn it. Not going to get that entry.
Order canceled.
All right, guys, I'm going to take the long in here again.
Order submitted.
Now I got to chase it. And I'm still not going to get it. It's going to 75, 74, 73.
Order filled.
All right. Big seller here. Blocks at 60. $2,300 buyers. Come on, NASDAQ, seriously? $2,200 buyers. Let's go. Nope. You kidding? All right, guys, I'm going to kill this trade, I think. 400 sellers in this 3-minute candle. Come on. Buy them back. 405, 406. I'm out.
Order filled.
I'm out. Back-to-back stops, guys. That's unusual. Russell sold hard. Gold on the bot, not quite to target. Trying. Son of a... 31 is the 20 period. Here's the bot on gold. Almost the first target.
Target filled.
There it is. First target filled on gold and picking up volume. Crude was up, now down. Trailing stop is here, 91. That's where I come out. I don't have the auto trail on. Came exactly to the entry I liked. 35. Guys, we've got 1,800 buyers. I don't have shorts. You son of a bitch.
Stop trail.
Out on crude. Here's the bot on crude. Out on crude. Gold, I'm going to drag the stop down to entry. First target only at this point. I got us in longs, guys. I do not have us in shorts on the NASDAQ. Gold on the bot. Like to see VWAP. We could come to 19, back down to 19 on gold if anybody is short. Same entry I had. I don't have us in shorts, guys. Yep, I think so too. It's the same entry I've taken twice. I think you just got to buy and hold today. It's a very slow, dull trade. But 75 is where we should go. Yeah, 35 was the entry. That's what I had. $2,100 net buyers. $75 is where I think we go. Crude is dumping ahead of inventory, kind of par for the course. Apple should trade to 49 area, 49 half. Come on down to 19. That third target on this gold, I think, is about the final 60 ticks. Guys, watch 6C. $75 target coming on NASDAQ. God dang. Russell still hanging out. Missed first target by a tick. Come on, Russell. Stop being a chump. Coming into 75, fellas. NASDAQ filled long on the bot, but took first target. No, it didn't. Target filled on the Russell. My apologies. Target filled on the Russell on the bot. Target one is filled. Russell. NASDAQ almost to first target. That 75 was hit. I had the right trade. Wrong stop twice. Come on, NASDAQ. Let's go. The NASDAQ, guys, is the fourth bot trade. Gold, NASDAQ, nope, fifth. 2 Russell. So far, all winners except for crude. I don't have the auto trail on. So for those of you guys, nice job, Greg. Those of you guys that are here on trial, I don't have the auto trail on. So I'm manually moving, but we do have an auto trail. Come on, NASDAQ. No volume in this candle, though. None. Out on Russell. Come on, NASDAQ. There we go. Come on, baby. I think we hit target and didn't fill it.
Target filled.
There it is. Target's filled. Here comes 15, guys. If we don't get it on this push, we're never getting it. God dang it. I had that 35 entry too. No volume in the candle, though. Yeah, I know. I hate, 60 handles. Yeah, I shouldn't have chased it. That's on me. I should have held. I mean, I should have held for my 35 or nothing and watched it if I missed it. That's on me. I told you guys, though, I don't have us in shorts. I mean, there's just no shorts. Stuck at yesterday's high. Stuck at yesterday's high. Maybe a shard. Nope. We've gotten to 96. 96. Still no 15,000. This is where the selling came in yesterday. So even with a $600 losing trade on crude, lost 20 ticks. Bots are up over 1,000. And I'm not running YM, so I don't know how YM is done. I haven't seen anybody say anything about the YM bot. It just fired a short? Okay, let me know how that works out. Here. Looks like YM's coming down. NASDAQ came to 75, held 75. I'm just hard pressed to believe with 2,800 net buyers. Yeah, I agree, Joe. I agree. The RTY bot is the single most consistent robot. The YM had a nice long earlier, Don. Okay. Now, again, I don't know how Dean is trading any of the others. Hit all targets, 1, 2, and 3. RTY. It doesn't make the most money. It does not make the most money, but it is the most consistent. Gold is a short. It's short on the what's RQL? No, RTY. RTY. You trade it with 5 contracts and go out with 4 at first target, and it mostly gets it. Yep. Listen. The only way that I would trade RTY is on the bot. I will not ever take a trade on RTY. Hang on, guys. Come on, you're not going to get this close and not get 15,000. Is it possible? Is it possible? Yeah, but they got a ton of buyers. We're up to almost 3,000 net buyers again. I mean, I just can't believe we're not going to get at least that 01. Drug overdose deaths in 2020 hit the highest number ever recorded. Maybe you shouldn't do drugs. Morning, Chris. I'm pretty sure there's some Republicans that overdose too, Chris. Actually, maybe not. Maybe they're all just unregistered. Come on, NASCRAC. Guys, on a pullback to 63, I'm buying it. I'm taking it again at 63. I don't know that it comes there or not. Going to be out on the runner here. No,
Stop, Phil.
no, Lewis. RTY is the Russell. YM is the Dow futures. RTY.
Order submitted.
Come on, 63. Come on. Guys, gold is short on the breakout. My stop will be 44.75. I still think gold is coming to 19. No, I'm not going to get it.
Order canceled.
Not going to get it. Crude inventories, fellas, coming up. Guys are going to get this 15,000. I just don't see how they don't tag at least this 01. If gold breaks 21.5, it should drop down to 19. 19. I don't know that it breaks 21.5 though. Sellers in the NASDAQ, the last 9 minutes, 2, 3, 4, maybe 500 contracts.
Target fell.
All right, gold got that target. Now it's just free on the breakout. So it's the trailing stops below the entry. We're at right at that. We hit 21.3 and it's bouncing. It's essentially holding a support area. Hang on, guys, 1 second. All right, guys, I'm back. Does 14,935 should be good entry. I don't know if it comes back down there, Patrick. Mated target bot has trailing stop activated. I don't use the trailing stop on the bot. Crude inventories, fellas, 10 minutes. $63 entry if it pulls back. 63.
Order submitted.
Yeah, it's got an auto trail. Yeah. Somebody's not watching the videos in the member area. Guys, this could all be, this lethargy could be related to Powell speaking in an hour and a half. Again, pre-market, much like yesterday, was a far better trade, at least based on, order flow. The breakout indicator's up 910. And the bots are currently up 1,090. That's with a $600 losing trade on crude. Dow futures up 102, S&P up 16 and a half, NASDAQ up 109, Russell up 4, almost 5. VIX futures down 3.5%, VIX cash down almost 6%. I think the NASDAQ's still open.
Order filled.
All right, I'm filled 63. This is going to do me again. We're not bouncing out of the zone. Stop is 45. Unbelievable. Guys, I've never seen these buy zone. I mean, it happens, but so rare. that these buy zones don't hold, especially consistently. Send me an email, Lewis. I'll forget. Yeah, but I have a buy zone here. I mean, it's just rare that we don't hit the, I mean, it happens, but just really weird for me. I mean, look, I'm not trading any differently than I do every day. Yeah, it's a big buy zone. My stop's at 45. I don't really want to see this thing below 54.50, but this thing cannot get any oomph today. Come on, break up. There we go. Break up. Well, I mean, they're going to prop this thing up forever if they can. Nope. It's not going to go. It's not going to go. $63 is now resistance. 12 buyers in here, 8 buyers, 10 buyers, 14, nothing, 21, 20. Come on, buy this thing up, 28. This is what I'm looking at, fellas. Here's what we're fighting right now. We're fighting this seller imbalance. Ordinarily, we hit these buy zones and these things rocket. We're still picking up sellers. You gotta be jacking me. Mama warned me there'd be days like this. Gold is coming down to 19. Crude inventory in less than 2 minutes. I'm going to be out again, fellas. This thing looks hell-bent on coming down to VWAP. And we're going to sell them all back to get there. I mean, Caleb, you're asking me. I should have bounced here at 63. Big buyers here now at 43. We're down to 1,300 buyers. They're going to sell these all back. They're going to try to suck shorts in so they can jam this thing higher. Yeah, maybe we get lucky here. Come on, let's go. crude data. Buyers here. Somebody bought 38 contracts. Could be a cover, could be a net buy. I don't have any way of knowing. But they're buying 54 quarter. I mean, it's not much. Nah, this is going to press down and take me out. I haven't heard anything on crude. Come on, you rat bag. Yeah, VWAP. They bought him again. They did not hit it again. Yeah, they bought one. They bought three. $400 sellers again. We're down below 1,000 net buyers. Technical issues with the DIA. Data is not out yet. Come on, now stop some shorts. Let's go. Gonna have to get above 58. Above this sell zone here. Guys, it's 10:30. I'm shutting bots down. That's it for the bots. They had a great day again. Looks like we're consolidating. Still no crude data. Come on, buy them back. Let's go. Below the point of control. Come on. They're trying to, out. Oh, missed by a tick. Not yet. Oh for 3 on the NASDAQ. Hang on, guys, 1 second. So volume is light. I had a Powell. Again, 13%. Here we are, coming right back to my entry. Seriously, man. Seriously. The buy and hold market. Just torquing my jaw. Well, I think the most I've ever missed was 4. Here are the bot totals. Here are the bot totals. 1,090. They're all shut off. They're done. And on the breakout, 910, and it's done. They expect the weekly oil report to be released around 11. This was great support here. Guys, give me 1 minute. Look at this. 3 for 3. Every trade. All 3 trades on the NASDAQ. Takes me out and then goes right back up. Not looking for shorts. That's unusual, Gary. Been a weird trade. Yeah, listen, Luis, Lewis, I don't have us in shorts. And I've bought all 3 times. I've taken pullback entries into buy zones that do not hold. They're selling them. I don't know why. Selling right through the buy zones, which it happens, but not often. So now they'll use all these shorts, tear up the stops, and try to get this higher up. I think we've got to get 15,000. I just don't see how we don't get 15,000. It's buy and hold market. You just hold it, which is not my specialty. I mean, today we nailed them in pre-market again. The cash session, I'm crawling around on my hands and knees looking for my teeth. And every trade has exceeded my stops and gone right back up. I mean, I've just basically smelled the joint out today. The both automated systems traded well, the bots and the breakout. For those of you guys that are on trial, I'll be sending a follow-up email again today. The video will be posted to YouTube. My NASDAQ trades will be there in full glory. Watch ES if you trade ES coming through yellow. ES is long if you guys want to try ES. I'll hold this for the day. Back up into the highs. I mean, this could trade like dog do as well. I just don't believe that we're going to get this close within 5 points of the 15,000 and they're not going to want to tag 15,000. I just don't believe it. NASDAQ 54 is your buy zone. I don't know that it comes back there, but that's the buy zone. I mean, it's just it's an anomaly when look, order flow. I take the same trades every single day. It's just rare that these buy zones, don't hold. If anybody took the ES trade, you got a couple $100 in it if you want it. Gold, I like gold long as well. NASDAQ's going to have to break through 80. If it gets through 80, it'll get that first target, quick. There's a swing at 80. Guys, as always, trade them as you see fit. Gold, we're still above VWAP with a lot of buyers. I don't have gold shorts either. I mean, I don't have a gold short. That 19 was where I would like to have been long. Powell speaks at noon or testifies at noon. I will not be here. I have a dentist appointment, but I will be back for the afternoon trade. Crude inventories should be out at 11. If not, watch for a close above VWAP for a long. NASDAQ's making the assault again. I still believe we see 15,000. Yeah. What's interesting is that API data and today's data claim they get the information from the same place, but they're never the same. They're never even close. Yesterday was a draw of 4.1 million barrels for API. I think we got to hit that 01. ES is failing. Jeez. Closed above yellow today. Nothing there. Guys, volatility should pick up once Powell starts to speak. We got to 90. My stop is going to be 74. 73.75. I mean, it's going to be volatile and the market will whip. I won't be here to trade. I have an early dentist appointment and then I'll be back for the afternoon.